Hey, editors. Welcome back. Want to go viral by using this type of text deep glow effect in your edits? I got you. I'll help you in this. But I just want your love and support in this. Subscribe, like, and comment positive, and it will keep me motivated to make tutorials and preset like this. Now let's watch the preview of the deep text glow like After Effects and After Motion Z that I have made for you guys.
How are you guys planning on this together? We'll lose. And we'll do that together.
I said we'd lose. You said do that together too. Because we can. We lost.
Now let's break down that how to make it. We will be using Deep Glow Enhanced Effect and Drop Shadow Plus Effect to achieve After Effects like Deep Text Glow. These effects are exclusively available in After Motion Z and not in a light motion, so download After Motion from Telegram. Follow my steps and understand what I am doing.
In the back of our minds we hear the devil that's in our ear. Let it push you to see more clear. I know that we all have fear. In the back of our minds we hear the devil that's in our ear. Let it push you to see more clear.
Now I'm gonna teach you a simple text animation inspired by After Effects, but I'm gonna serve it to you in a very delicious way. I mean, I'll make it in a perfect way. Hey, wait. I'm sorry to disturb you in between. But here, you have learned how to make AE like Deep Glow. But how will you use it? Here is a small tutorial on how to use my Deep Text Glow like After Effects. You don't have to change the glow color of all the glow effects when you want. Just change the color of text like this, and the glow color will be automatically changed. Isn't it amazing? I know it is. Just change the color of Drop Shadow Plus Effect, or you can hide it if you're feeling too lazy. Or another way is you can just copy the settings of Drop Shadow Plus Effect and apply it in the Deep Glow Enhanced Effect by duplicating it. I know that would be easier, but it may not look exactly like AE, as I had made it by effort on it. Just like After Effects. Let's watch the preview. So just follow the steps and understand the process.
Sometimes I'm feeling high, but sometimes I'm feeling low. I wanna stay inside, I could call my bed my home. I've been trapped inside my mind, that's what keeps me in the zone. I think that I'll be fine, but I do not really know, yeah. It's too late for me, not too late for you. To be great, you'll see, the pain's worth the truth. I don't wanna be just someone that's new. I speak my mind so free, so you could hear the truth. Yeah, I know that we all have fear. In the back of our minds we hear the devil that's in our ear. Let it push you to see more clear. I don't wanna think about the pain no more. Everybody's not the same. We all open different doors. Yeah, we've all got different brains. That's what keeps starting these wars. I just stay within
It's
my
done.
lane. Hope my words even score. I just try to keep it real. Find a way to buy a meal. Find a way to make a deal.
Comment down what you want next, or you can reach out to me on my Telegram group or at my Instagram. Bye, editors. Take care. Thanks for watching.
We